Hello and welcome to another episode of Mac Minute. In this episode, we'll be covering screen recording. What is screen recording? Well, it's just what it sounds like. Let's say you want to record a section or the entire screen as a video and send it to somebody. To do that, we're going to use the QuickTime player. So opening it up right here, you're going to see a button that will say New Screen Recording. Obviously, we'll click it. It's actually what I'm using right now. You can either you'll get an option to select a portion of the screen by clicking and dragging like I just did, or record the whole screen just by clicking. Now we're recording the whole screen. So let's record something kind of funny. This is a video game called QWOP. It's where you use the Q, W, O, and P keys to control this little Olympic sprinter. And as you can see, it's exceedingly difficult. I'm not doing very well at all, but a lot of people use screen recording for work to maybe help someone troubleshoot an issue, but a lot of other people use it to screen capture game footage as well. So it's a good example of how you can use it for both tasks. When you're done, you simply click up in the top menu bar and hit stop, and you'll be presented with an option like this. This is Pages, but this is what the save feature will look like. You'll choose where you want to save it and name the file, and then click right on Save, and it'll pop up on your desktop just like that, whatever you saved it. I named it Screen Sharing Part 1, and I'm actually recording Part 2 right now. When you're done, you can do a few things with it. One of my favorite things is to drop it right into iMovie, but you could drop it in Final Cut Pro or even After Effects if you wanted to. But opening up iMovie, this is the newest version of iMovie. I'm going to show you a little glitch that happens here. We're going to create a new movie. We're not going to choose a theme, but if we wanted to, we could. You can choose like a comic book theme, a news theme, a sports theme. I'm just going to go ahead and name this Test. So, as you can see, I've got my project right over here. There's some of my older footage and music from other projects that I've been working on. And when I drag in my clip, you can see you get this wonderful red color here. What that is it's an actual mismatch of the frame rate, causing it to be red like that. There's really nothing you can do if you're using a new iMovie. So personally, I recommend using iMovie 9. If you use this, you'll be able to drop your video in here without having to worry about that issue with the frame rate. A little something to get you by until they resolve some of the issues with the newer iMovie. There are some workarounds with the newer iMovie, but they're very tedious. And if you have the older version of iMovie sitting around, it's a lot better and more straightforward just to use this. So we'll go ahead and we'll make this a new event. We'll call this Mac Minute 2 Screen Share. I need to learn how to type. I should have named it Screen Recording. And we'll click on Import. And what that'll do, we'll fast forward through time right here. There we go. It'll allow me to import the video right over into my footage library. And from here, I can just go ahead and drag it right down into my project and start editing. And you're actually watching the final project that I have finished editing. And that's it. It's really not too much to it. You can create a lot of fun projects this way. And that's how you do screen recording on Mac. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, send us an email.